In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Brevo API. Whether you're integrating this powerful tool into your workflow or simply exploring its capabilities, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Brevo's website. Open your web browser and type in the URL brevo.com. Once you're there, you should see the main page of Brevo where you can access all its features. It's always a good idea to ensure you're logged into your account to avoid any interruptions later on. Once you're on the Brevo site, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile drop-down menu. This is where you can access various settings and account options. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage different aspects of your Brevo account. It's the section where you can configure your account to suit your specific needs. Now, look for the option labeled SMTP and API. Clicking on this will lead you to a page where you can manage your SMTP settings and, more importantly for this tutorial, your API settings. The API is what allows you to integrate Brevo with other applications, making it a crucial step in our process. After you've clicked on SMTP and API, you'll want to find and click on API and MCP. On this page, you will have the ability to generate a new API key, which is essential for connecting Brevo with external applications. Now, it's time to generate that API key. Click on Generate API Key. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your key and to select an expiry date. The name should be something that helps you easily identify the purpose of this key, especially if you plan on generating multiple keys. As for the expiry, choose a duration that aligns with your project needs. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click Generate. This action will create a new API key for you. This key is like a password that allows other applications to interact with Brevo securely. After generating the key, you'll see an option to copy it. Make sure to copy the API key immediately and store it somewhere safe, like a password manager. Keep in mind that this key is sensitive information and should be handled with care to prevent unauthorized access to your Brevo account. With your API key in hand, head over to zapier.com to create Zaps. Zaps are automated workflows that connect your apps and services. Once you're on the Zapier site, start by creating a new Zap. In the new Zap setup, you'll need to select a trigger. For our purposes, choose Brevo as the trigger app. This means that certain actions or events in Brevo will initiate the automated workflow. After selecting Brevo, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger event. Depending on your specific needs, this could be anything from receiving a new email to updating a contact list. Select the trigger event that best suits your workflow. Next, you'll need to sign into Brevo through Zapier. Click on Sign In, and a prompt will appear asking for your Brevo API key. Paste the key you copied earlier into the designated field. Finally, click Yes, Continue to Brevo. This confirms the connection between Zapier and Brevo using your API key, allowing you to automate tasks and streamline your processes. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of using the Brevo API. By following these steps, you can now integrate Brevo into your workflow with ease, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.